Peace and blessings, kings and queens, and welcome back to my channel. I first want to thank you for clicking on that video because you didn't have to, but as always, I'm so glad you did. So guys, the time has arrived. I've been hinting at this for weeks and weeks and weeks, but it is time for me to deliver my brand new reborn baby. And this one is really near and dear to me because I got this particular reborn baby to pay homage to an anime character that I'm really fond of. You guys know I'm into anime, all things sci-fi anime. And when I saw this baby, I said I had to have them. I was not planning on getting any more reborns for at least the next 6 months. I was planning things out. I was saving. I was like, what doll am I going to get? Do I want to get a toddler? Do I want to get another infant? And when I saw this baby, it just was calling to me. I mean, I kept seeing it and I was just like, why do I keep coming back to this baby? And I was like, I gotta get it. And I'm a strong believer of if you want it and it keeps nagging at you, you need to get it or you'll regret it. So that's what I did. So without further ado, I'm not going to keep you guys in suspense any longer. Let's go ahead and do the box opening. All right, guys, so I'm not going to really be in this video too much. I want the sole focus to be on this baby. It is his time to shine. He the star of the show. All right, so let's go ahead and get this open. I kind of have it on his side because my address is showing. And I don't need nobody come showing up on my doorstep. All right. And I got this baby from, well, let me get it open first and then I'll tell you guys where I got it from. All right, so it looks like he comes with some goodies. Let me see if there's anything else. And I think I have him upside down, but that's okay. We're gonna flip him around. And there's some more goodies there. So, guys, I got him from the Reborn Nursery Snugabug. I just recently, like in the last couple of weeks, joined a group on Facebook. And I was like, where can I buy, reborn dolls that, it's not going to be a scam or anything like that. And a few people, they were like, reborns.com, and that's reborns with an S, and then onlyreborns.com. And I went to onlyreborns.com because I've never been there before. That was my first time hearing it. And I found her nursery. The person who reborned my baby, her name is Bev Pino. And I hope I'm saying her name correctly. And she is a reborn artist with Snugabug Reborn Nursery. So guys, if you like her work that I'm about to show you, go head on over to her page on onlyreborns.com. And I'll leave her information below in the description. So let's see what she got. This is such a cute little bag. It's a Disney bag. It's so cute. You guys know that's Mickey Mouse. It's cute. So she got a few little things in here. It's not a huge box opening, but he has a few things. All right, so she sent me a little card, a little message. Again, Snugglebug and the Reborn artist, her name is Bev Pino. And the Reborn kit that I got is the Baylor kit. And I know this is a sold out limited edition kit. They're not making anymore. I believe, I don't know how many they had in the series. I want to say like 4 something, but I will double check. But it is a sold out limited edition. And the name of the kit is the Baylor kit. And he is adorable, absolutely adorable. So bear with me, guys. Okay. All right. So the size that he fits is a newborn and size 1 pamper. Look at these cute little pampers. These are so cute. And it comes with a baby comb and brush set. And a little binky clip that has only Reborns on it. This is the website. And I do apologize if there's some glare. I do apologize. But this is the little passy holder. And this is his little passy. Oh, and this is his little born bracelet. I guess that's what you would call it. He was reborn by Bev, like I mentioned. He was 6 pounds, 7 ounces, and he's 19 inches. You guys see that? Let me bring the glare down. I think there's a little bit of a glare here. I apologize if you guys can't really see it. And then these are her business card and everything, with her information on it. And then a magnifier that you could put on your refrigerator for only Reborns. And I think they just recently, I don't know how long ago, but I think they just recently started, like, opened up their little nursery there. But let's open up the envelope here. And I think this is his COA and some other information here. Okay, yes. So this is his certificate of authenticity. This is the Baylor kit. And he's 19 inches. And the sculptor is Don McLeod. And he is 291 of 4 out of 400. So it was 400. I was correct. All right. And this is a picture of him, but I'll show that to you guys later. And then these are just some instructions on how to care for your reborn baby. All right. It wasn't a big box opening. It was very simplistic. But I think it was very well thought out what they put inside the box and everything. So again, Snugglebug Reborn Nursery. Reborn him. And then they have some mohair conditioner because he does have rooted mohair. I'll put that to the side. And then let's go ahead and get this open here. So he has a cute little onesie sleeper here. This is so cute with the little dinosaurs. And then he has another one. So I'm just gonna put that all to the side. All right, guys, so she got him all nice and snug in here. And in the nice little receiving blanket, the kind that you get from the actual hospital. I think is so cute. All right, guys, so you're ready? Let's do it. And I'm going to start from the feet and work my way up. Oh my goodness. And she, from what I can see on the website, they do such good work. I believe her daughter Casey also reborns with her, and their work is so detailed. I'm gonna have to zoom in here. I may have to bring it down just a little bit. Oh my goodness. His little hands. Guys, this is so realistic. And I need to hurry up because his little limbs are cold. Oh my goodness. And he has a cloth body. And you guys ready for the big reveal? Hope I can hold him like this. Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. He is so cute. All right, so guys, I'm going to change angles so we could get a better view of him. All right, guys, so I didn't want to be in the video, but I wanted to make sure that you guys got a good view of him. I had to change the setting there. All right. So I would like to introduce you all to Satoru Gojo, or Baby Gojo. So I don't know if any of you guys who watch my channel watch anime as well. But I got this Baylor kit, because he looks like the anime version of the Baby Gojo. And I will put a picture up so you guys can see it. And it was really the eyes that did it. And the hair, of course. Let me show you his hair. Oh my goodness. He has that light blonde hair that almost looks white. Oh my goodness. And anyone who is familiar with the anime Jujutsu Kaisen, they know that Gojo has these piercing blue eyes. And that's what made me get this baby. I was so attracted to the likeness that he has to Baby Gojo. I'm going to call him Bodhi because I think that's what she initially named him. But his name is Satoru Gojo. And I'm just going to call him Bodhi around the house or just wherever. But this is what he is, the representation of is Baby Gojo. So let's look at some of his details. Oh my goodness. Here are his feet. I'm gonna have to do like a zoom in. These are his little feet. Oh my goodness. And then his little toes. And he's small like my Sammy. And here's his little hands. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh, he is so precious. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So precious. Oh my goodness. What is it called? Affection, aggression? When you see something that's so cute, you just want to bite it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So cute. Oh my goodness, guys. Oh my goodness. So precious. So yeah, guys, I did not have any plans to get another Reborn. And I kept going. It was my fault because I kept going back to their page and I just fell in love. I just completely fell in love. Look at those eyes. My goodness, they're so piercing. It's like they're looking right through you. But yeah, I had no intentions of buying another Reborn anytime soon. Like, I truly was just going to deal with what I have and just save up because I'm still trying to figure out like what the next one I really wanted to buy. But this one just came out of nowhere. And I am so happy that I made the purchase. I love the little blushing on his skin. You know how new babies always seem like they are blushing all over the place. And look at his little creases. This is so well made. My goodness. And he was up for adoption for a very long time. There was a lady who was interested in him back in November, but I guess it just fell through. And I'm just like, why is nobody adopting him? And I guess it was meant for me to adopt him. So I did. So welcome him to the family. So precious. All right, guys. So that is my video. Thank you guys for tuning in. And until next time, be blessed. Bye.